In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a discount on a product in Shopify. This is a very useful skill if you want to run promotions, sales, or simply highlight a special deal for your customers. Follow along as we walk through the process step by step. First off, we want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and that you're on your dashboard. The dashboard is the control center of your Shopify store, where you can manage various aspects like products, orders, and store design. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to navigate to your products. To do this, find the Products section in the menu on the left-hand side and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the products available in your store. Select the product you'd like to apply a discount to by clicking on its name. This will take you into the product's detailed view, where you can edit various aspects of its information, including the pricing. Once you're in the product details, look for the Pricing section. This is where you can adjust the product's price and add a Compare at Price. To set up a discount, you'll want to fill in the Compare at Price field. Remember, the Compare at Price needs to be higher than the actual sale price listed next to it. This creates a visual indicator for your customers that they are getting a deal, as the original price will appear crossed out, and the new discounted price will stand out. Set this to a higher amount that reflects the original pricing. After you've entered the new Compare at Price, make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button at the top. This ensures that all modifications are applied successfully. With the pricing set, let's move on to updating how this looks in your store. Head over to the Online Store section, also found in the left-hand menu. Click on Themes, which allows you to manage and customize your store's appearance. From here, click on the Customize button next to your current theme. This is where you'll get a preview and have the option to adjust the layout and design. It's worthwhile to check out the Featured Products section or where your products are displayed. By using a Compare at Price, most Shopify themes will automatically display a helpful visual indicator like a sale badge or a percentage strike-through on the discounted items. This visual cue is a very effective way to catch your customers' attention and encourage sales. And just like that, you've successfully set up a discount on your Shopify product. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your shop's selling potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial simplifies your experience with managing sales in your online store.